promised you all that I would give you a very raw video blog of myself for a before and after for taking Oracell. Um, so I'm also going to give you like obviously the demonstration of what my skin is like right now without any makeup on, and also give you an insight of how I'm feeling inside. And right now I'm having an issue seeing lately. It's true. Once you hit 40, things go downhill. And now I have to wear readers to be able to read everything from text messages to the packages of what I'm about to show you. So I've got a 30-day treatment that I'm going to be going on called Oracell. Ta-da! And this is embryo stem cells. Boom, boom. In conjunction with these vitamins and minerals from Perlavie right here. So with the combination of these two, they swear that I'm going to be a new person. Pretty much, they said that I'm going to look and act 20 years younger, or feel, I always act 20 years younger, but to feel alive again. The reasons why we age is our cells, they basically die. That's what's aging. It's the aging process. So by taking embryonic stem cells, they will regenerate these cells and kind of like combat the problem that we're having to see or to want Botox, that aging. So it's going to actually do a little bit of age reversal. Not that I'm going to look 18 again, but inside my body will start healing. And they say that the first place that will show is the largest organ on our body, which is our skin. So that is why I'm up here in your mug shot, showing you all the wrinkles and everything and telling you I'm not getting any Botox. And I don't know if you can see this. We've got, age. And also, I'm hoping they, besides the elasticity, working out in the gym and getting rid of these, love you back handles. So enjoy your 30 days with me, watching my video blogs podcast, my live show on Wednesdays at 3 p.m. here in Vegas at alltalkradio.net, and to get my adventure stories on LasVegasBucketList.com. And if this product does what they are promising me 30 to 90 days from now, I will share with you on how you can get it too, because it's not on the market yet. So I am the guinea pig. I'm the lab rat doing this for all of us. Or I guess you could say I'm the sitting duck, since this is duck embryo stem cells, which, by the way, is 92% the same as human embryo cells. The only difference is it's legal, FDA approved, and was made right here in the U.S. at a lab. So 92% as effective as human embryonic stem cells. This is awesome. Can't wait to share it with y'all.